2007 Infiniti sedan G35. Beautiful. He's doing it as a tribute for his mom, man, and we really hope she rests in peace. If you guys can, say a prayer for her. Factory converters there, Y's into a single, Y's back out. Then 2 FLOWMASTER FXs there, and right there, part number 71415. There'll be a link in the description for them. 71415. Then 2 1/4 out the back on each side. Deleted the rear mufflers. They used to go there and there. Put new hangers and put some Namatis 4-inch tips there and there. There'll be a link in the description for them. Came out really clean, really nice, as you guys can see. He's gonna get it painted next. It's gonna be nice dark purple. It's gonna be really nice when it's done. There's the 2 resonators that were on it right there. There's the 2 mufflers there, and there's the intermediate pipe. It comes with 1 3/4. We cut it off and ran 2 1/4 all the way back, as you guys can see. Came out really nice, real clean. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So make sure you hit us up if you're ever in the area. What do you think? Yes? Do we get a thumbs up?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Again? Perfect. Here's sound decibels. 108. You'll get deeper over time too, a little bit deeper once the mufflers break. It takes about 30 days for them to break in after you drive it. That sounds so good. Go ahead and back it up. To the body shop she goes after the lowering springs. He's gonna get lowering springs, some wheels, painted a sexy purple. Like we said, may she rest in peace. That sounds so good. Yeah, I like it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. G35 2007 with FLOWMASTER FX. Rear delete. Oh, that sounds so good. Enjoy, guys. I love it.